my name is Andrea and I am here from HowDoesShe.com. I have a question for you. Do you like to travel? And would you travel more if it were less expensive? So here's my deal. I love to travel. I would seriously live in a van with my whole family and travel around the world if I could. But I can't convince my husband that's a good idea yet. So in the meantime, we like to travel as much as we possibly can, which I'll be honest, I have 5 children. It's hard to travel. I mean, you can't even find seats on the plane for that many people. But the number one reason that we hesitate to travel at times is because of, you guessed it, cash, money, moolah. Travel is expensive. I don't care if you are a solo traveler, you're a business traveler, you have a whole slew of children like I do, it can be expensive. So I went on the hunt to find a way to save money on travel and make it more feasible for my family, and I came across JIFU Travel. JIFU taps in to wholesale travel. I didn't even know wholesale travel existed. It does. This is kind of how it works in really simple terms. Have you ever wondered why like a hotel in Vegas has 300 empty rooms, why you can't log onto their site and find all those empty rooms at half off or whatever percentage off? I mean, don't they want to fill their hotel or a flight? They can't fill the seats. They're going anyway, so why don't they want to fill their seats? Why don't they discount their prices a lot? And the answer is that they do, but they don't do it to the public. They do it through something called the wholesale travel market. And JIFU Travel allows you to tap into this market from the comfort of your own home. It is so rad. JIFU works like pretty much any booking system. You log on, you look for the hotel or the city or the flight that you're looking for, and JIFU will pop up with the wholesale prices only to you with your login. And what's really cool is that, let's say you find a hotel, you see it's, I don't know, 35% off. You can look and see the prices in real time on other booking sites. So maybe those popular booking sites that you're using elsewhere, you can compare those prices and know that JIFU's prices are the best. JIFU has no markup. You are really getting the legit wholesale price and you know it's gonna be the best. And what's really cool is like on hotels, JIFU says if you can find it somewhere cheaper elsewhere, which you know, it might happen every now and then, they will match that price and credit your account 110%. So you really have nothing to lose. This is gonna change the travel industry because it's gonna make traveling for the average Joe or the average Jane more feasible and possible. Now I know a lot of you are thinking, okay, that sounds rad, but how much does it cost? This is one thing I love about JIFU. It's totally straightforward and clear. It's a $100 membership. So think about like Costco, you pay a membership fee to get the wholesale prices, right? Pay a membership fee, and then you pay $30 a month. That's it, and I can guarantee that you will make your money back in no time. We already have friends that are saving so much money because they travel a lot or they're taking a big family vacation. They make their money back like that. It pays for itself. Let's say you're not really into paying that. You can also do something. There's lots of different perks and rewards that JIFU has. If you refer 3 friends to this membership service, I mean, if you know people are traveling anyway and they can save money, I mean, it's a no-brainer, right? If you refer 3 friends, then your membership fee is free. So that's kind of cool, fun little perk. What's also cool with your membership fee is that you get buddy passes, and buddy passes are essentially ways for you to tell your friends about JIFU without like having to pressure them into buying something, right? They can try JIFU on your buddy pass totally free for 6 months to see if it works for them. I love the buddy passes. That's really a cool little perk so you can get your friends and your family saving money too, and then everybody will love you and then you will all go on a trip together. Anyways, we're loving JIFU. We think that you should really try it out because it'll save you money and we can all go on vacation together. I've included a link below. If you have any questions, go ahead and drop a comment in the comments and we are happy to answer any questions that you might have. But that is a really shortened version of how JIFU works and how it can benefit you and enable you to travel more like it is us. We're loving it, guys. Okay, now go book your trips.